Hi, I'm Melissa Hosick, the Programming and Publicity Librarian here at the library. I invite you to attend our upcoming June events. All are open to the public. Saturday, June 6th at 2 p.m., author Manny Luftglass will talk about the many flea markets in New Jersey. On Wednesday, June 10th at 7 p.m., meditation expert Jim Rose will discuss how meditation is a great tool for relieving stress. On Saturday, June 13th at 2 p.m., the Two Counties Symphonic Band will perform a concert in honor of Flag Day. On Monday, June 15th at 7 p.m., the new monthly Crafter Dark adult crafting class will meet and create polymer clay beads. On Wednesday, June 17th at 7 p.m., Melissa Stables from Golden View Healthcare Center will speak about how to care for someone with Alzheimer's or dementia. On Saturday, June 20th at 2 p.m., Raconteur Radio will perform their radio play production of The Hound of the Baskervilles, adapted from the famous story featuring Sherlock Holmes. On Monday, June 22nd at 1 p.m., the Middlesex chapter of the Brandeis National Committee is co-sponsoring a lecture by Judy Petzonk, who will discuss her book, Queen of the Jews. On Thursday, June 25th at 7 p.m., come to the Record Play Film Festival screening, which features short films made by East Brunswick residents. To learn more about our ongoing monthly events, such as reading discussion groups, film festivals, Saturday Stitch, and more, visit ebpl.org or follow us on social media. We hope to see you soon.